Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below, and remember, this is just my personal experience using the services discussed. In this video, we're taking a look at Comerica Bank, accessible online at www.comerica.com. Comerica is a financial institution offering a wide array of services, from personal banking solutions like checking and savings accounts, to more complex financial products for businesses and large corporations. Navigating their website, you'll find a wealth of information detailing their various offerings, including online banking tools, loan options, and investment services. Comerica's online presence provides resources for both individual and business customers. For individuals, they offer convenient ways to manage finances, such as mobile banking apps and online bill pay. They also provide educational materials and financial planning resources to help individuals make informed decisions about their money. For businesses, Comerica offers specialized services including treasury management, merchant services, and commercial lending. They aim to support businesses of all sizes, from small startups to large established enterprises. The website provides details on their various business banking solutions and contact information for specialized assistance. One key aspect of Comerica's services is their focus on community involvement and social responsibility. Information on their community initiatives and investments can be found on their website, highlighting their commitment to giving back. Furthermore, Comerica emphasizes security and customer support. They provide resources and information to help customers protect their accounts and finances, and offer various contact methods for customer assistance. When exploring the Comerica website, you can find details on their branch locations and ATMs, making it easy to find a physical location near you. They also provide online resources for learning about financial topics and managing your finances effectively. Whether you're an individual looking for a new banking solution or a business seeking financial support, Comerica's website offers a comprehensive overview of their services. Remember to do your own thorough research to see if Comerica's offerings align with your specific financial needs.